Ethiopia is a nation of plenty. It has abundant natural resources, most favorable weather, and an energetic youth population. Agriculture productivity is critical to our population of more than 120 million and remains the driving force of our economy. The transformation of the sector has seen our total farmed area increase by over 50%, with vast amounts of land for crop production still available for cultivation. As we continue expanding our potential in this sector, our focus on high value in industrial crops is yielding promising results, as we have been planting drought-tolerant, water-efficient crops such as wheat, teff, maize, and sorghum. Wheat, and particularly off-season irrigation, has been a major focus, as for many decades we were dependent on imports. With innovations in our planting practices and the use of technology, we have moved from a wheat deficit to a surplus production increase of 300%. I invite you to take a rewarding leap of faith and invest in Ethiopia, and encourage you to support through innovations and future technologies that will enable us to meet the global growing demand for food.